Baby, tell me if you like it.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, welcome. Thank you for stopping by. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn your notifications on. Yellow t-shirt gang, I'm back with another Will My Curls Pop. And before I get started, I wanted to throw in a little plug for my second channel. Make sure you guys go over and subscribe to StyledByKami. I have tons of fun videos over there, such as reactions, pranks, challenges. My vlogs are going to be over there from now on. So yes, I would love for you guys to come over and subscribe. And yeah, so today we are going to be trying out the Novex brand. We're just going to see how this actually works with me at home by myself trying to do it. So I shampooed my hair, I put in the deep conditioner, and now we're here. So we're just going to go ahead and get started. So will Novex make my curls pop? Let's find out. Okay, so I have my spray bottle because I want to make my hair extremely wet for this. Not only are we only using one product, but it is basically like a leave-in conditioner. So we're going to see how this works. Alright, so here is the leave-in, and let's go. Now it's actually pretty thick, and I'll do a close-up and show you guys. So it feels kind of like maybe a cream. And not as watery as some leave-in conditioners are. Yeah, I think I put a little bit too much, so I'm going to bring down that other section. And split that one in half again, because I want to like really get it on there. I'm just going to put a little bit this time. It smells so good, and it makes my hair feel really soft. Like, I don't know, this should be kind of considered a styler in my opinion, and maybe something a little lighter for a leave-in. This feels a little too heavy for a leave-in conditioner for me, but maybe that's why they don't have a styler. I'm going to bring you guys in so y'all can see, but I am pleasantly surprised on how this feels. Wow. Yeah, that's really pretty. Alright guys, so here are the final results, and excuse my blue tongue, while my hair was drying I was eating a icicle. So yeah, but here are the final results, and I have mostly good things to say. First of all, for this being a one product wash and go using only a leave-in, I could not be more blown away. The product was super thick in itself, so that for one shocked me. I thought it was going to be a little on the thinner side, so I was a bit scared. Actually, this could be considered a styler, and for you guys that have maybe thinner hair than me or higher porosity, you could get away with just using this by itself. It's really lightweight on the hair, it defines it, and it doesn't leave it greasy, and you'll be good to go. For maybe my hair type and a bit thicker or more coarser, you would probably need a lightweight gel over top to really secure the style. Longevity is the only thing I'm worried about. I don't think I'm going to get too many days out of this because it's already fluffy and pretty big, so the frizz is going to start creeping in by day 2, day 3. But other than that, I am really pleased with this. It was a quick application. It defined my curls very well. Only thing, like I said, I wish they did offer a gel with this line, but considering the texture of the product, I don't think it's going to have a problem with mixing with other gels. So I'm going to try this again with maybe either my Camille Rose gel or some Eco Styler and see how it works. But I love this. I can go out with this. It's so pretty, it's so bouncy, it's soft, and I'm really pleased. So let me know down below what you guys think. If you're willing to go ahead and try this out, all links will be in the description box. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.